Hey, my name is Steven Yin, and this is just a quick shout out for Jordan and his program, Making Money from YouTube. It was a really awesome program, actually. It was a lot of helpful information, very, very thorough, and it's just a very interesting business model when you can um, get a video to rank and then just see the traffic coming in. And with Jordan's Make Money from YouTube program and his mastermind, I was able to monetize and get enough subs and watch hour to monetize my channel. And so Jordan went through very details on his program how to do that. So the program itself is great, but what's even better is the Facebook group actually. Once you get into the Facebook group, there's just a lot of people doing videos on YouTube. And so a lot of resources when there's questions, people are very happy to kind of share and get inspiration. So overall, it's a really great course. I was really happy. I jumped in and make the purchase. So I want to thank you, Jordan, with your Buy 9 to 5 program. And I look forward to any future program that you come up with that will help us make more money on YouTube. So thank you, Jordan. And that's it.
So of course you know you can make money on YouTube, but did you know you can make money on YouTube without ever showing your face or recording a single video? So these are brand new strategies that tons of channels are doing, but until now you never even noticed it. So today I'm actually holding a completely free live training for you to show you exactly how to do these strategies. So right here are a bunch of results of people who are doing these exact strategies. And while I can't promise you that you'll get these same results, I can promise you that you will learn the same exact step-by-step strategies that these people are using, because they all went through the same exact training that you have the opportunity to go through today. Over 3 million subscribers on YouTube without ever showing my face or recording a single video. These are brand new strategies and tactics. I have a ton of notes here to teach you exactly step-by-step how to do this exact thing. So if you want to learn, go ahead and click on the top right if you're on mobile, or the bottom left if you're on desktop. So that'll take you to a registration page that looks just like this, and you're gonna want to register as quickly as you can because there are limited seats and they are filling up fast. So I have nothing to give you but a bunch of step-by-step strategies for how to do this same exact thing. So I cannot wait to see you all in there.
Hello guys, I just took Jordan's Buy 9 till 5 Advanced Masterclass. I have learned a lot for this course. In this course, he taught us how to find profitable niches, how to create thumbnails, how to remove the watermarks, and the list goes on. I like this course so much as it's so laid down, systematic, and easy to follow. If you're looking to start your YouTube career, this course is the best choice.
Hey, it's Tash here, and I bought Jordan Mackey's YouTube course, and he provides a lot of information. He provides information for beginners or people that know a lot about YouTube but want to basically transform their results and get more income. So I basically didn't really know that much about YouTube when I first started, and after I went through his course, I basically was able to generate income the next month of starting. So you definitely can change your life and make money online using Jordan Mackey's course. I definitely would recommend it to everybody that's on the fence and not sure if they should purchase his course.